Back again with the EVS class, and before starting EVS on family chapter, I am going to recite a poem on family. It will be fun for you. Okay, so here is a poem for you. Open the door and you can see mother, father, sister and me. Mummy and papa are so much fun. They are the best under the sun. Grandpa and grandma are so jolly. We all are a happy little family. So now we are going to study about the chapter. Hello children. Now welcome back to your EVS class, and we are back with chapter 10. So the name of the chapter is One with Family, and chapter 9 we have studied family and friends. So these both chapters resemble each other. So quickly we will finish this also, and let's see what is there in this chapter. So you are now familiar with the terms parents, grandparents, family, joint family, surnames. Okay, so let's see. You will take a pencil in your hand. You have to underline the difficult terms, and you have to underline the important lines, and focus on the pronunciation. Okay, and read after me. Being with the family, you will underline being, means rehna. Being with the family and enjoying together makes us fresh and happy. So I told you that when we are with the family and we are enjoying, it makes us fresh, it makes us alive. We are never sad. It is always a fun to do things we enjoy, and it is always a fun to do things we enjoy. Okay, we enjoy with our family members on holidays and on special occasions like festivals, birthdays and weddings. And it is always a fun to enjoy the things. We find a reason, we want every time that we get holiday so that we can enjoy with our family. Yes. And what are the special occasions we enjoy with our family? So you will underline special occasions like festivals, birthdays and weddings. So next paragraph, I enjoy with my family in many ways. Okay, let's see what are the ways in which we enjoy. We take meals together. You will underline this together. Okay. We take meals. Meals means khana. Okay. Meals means lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever. Okay. With our relatives on weddings, birthdays and festivals. And what we do when we have a special occasion, all the relatives sit together and they eat together, and that is a different kind of fun, isn't it? We decorate the house and perform pujas or rituals together. So you underline decorate, perform, pujas, rituals together. Okay, so what are the things we used to do when any special occasion comes? For example, if any festival is coming, we decorate the houses and we make arrangement for pujas and the rituals and the ceremonies which we are going to conduct. The ladies of the house cook special dishes, and the ladies, basically ladies, it's not necessary that ladies will cook, but basically the ladies of the house cook special dishes. On special occasions, we visit our relatives or wish them on phone or by email. You will underline occasions, relatives and email. You have heard the word email. I think this is an internet era, so there is no postman taking the letter because it takes time. So what we do when we want to wish our relatives, we simply do a phone call or video call, or we do a mail. We also go to museum. Okay, I think most of you have visited the museum. Okay, if not, you should visit once. Okay, there we see ancient and wonderful things. Ancient and wonderful things. Okay, not ancient, it is ancient. Okay, ancient means बहुत पुरानी चीज़ें that we are unable to see anywhere. So basically they are kept in museum, जो बहुत ही rarely दिखती हैं. And wonderful things. In a zoo, we see wild animals in cages, and we have visited zoo also. We see wild animal in cages. Cages you will underline. Okay, cages means prison. Why they are kept in cages? Because they can hurt us and they are very rare. They are about to extinct. That's why they are kept in the zoo. So we have finished with page number 45. Now let's see page number 46. Okay, the clowns in the circus makes us laugh by their funny tricks. Okay, the clowns अंडरलाइन CLOWNS. ओके, तो आपने जोकर देखा होगा सर्कस में. अब यू कैन नॉट सी हियर इन सुल्तानपुर नाउ, इट डजंट कम, बट अर्लियर इट यूज टू कम. सो व्हेन यू फाइंड when you find an opportunity to visit to a circus, please do visit, because it is so much fun. I have visited and it makes us laugh, and they make funny faces, they do funny tricks, and they make us laugh. The acrobats, you will underline acrobats. The acrobats do exciting stunts, and the stunts you might have seen with the bike and with the stick, with one wheeled cycle. So they all are done by acrobats. They are specialized in that. They have a special training, and it makes us laugh, and it makes us wow how they have done. Okay, so we go to the fairs occasionally. Fairs, you might have heard craft fair. It is always conducted in Sultanpur, basically 2 times in a year. So every place has a fair. Occasionally we visit that place also. There we enjoy rides and competitions, and there also we have different kinds of rides, and different kinds of competition are also there. We also watch puppet shows. Puppet shows you might have watched. They are very fun to see. We watch movies on the television. We watch movies on the television, and we should watch those kind of movies which are inspirational, which teaches us something, or which is fun to see. Okay, sometimes we play games like Ludo, snakes, and ladders, and chess. And we also play some games, indoor games. These are indoor games we can play by sitting anywhere. Ludo, snakes, ladders, and chess. Listening to stories by grandparents is the most interesting of all. And children, you might have also heard from your grandparents, either from your grandmother or your grandfather, telling the story when you visit village, or they visit to your place. They might have told you some stories that are very interesting, and that is very fun to listen also. Okay, so we should give time to our grandparents also. Often, you will underline this word often. Okay, often our father takes us for a long drive for a picnic in a garden or near a lake, and there we play, eat food, and have fun. And kabhi kabhi often means kabhi kabhi. हमारे father, because he is so busy in his work, because he is the earning member of the family. Now we have mothers also as earning member, but father is the eldest and the earning member of the family. So he takes us for a long drive and for a picnic in a garden, or to somewhere, to some of your favorite places, and we eat food and we enjoy also, because he hardly gets the time. So you can see in the picture they are enjoying. Okay, so here is a fun fact given for you. Television was invented by John Logie Baird in 1925. So this is an important fact. You should know this thing. Okay, so we have completed this chapter also, chapter number 10, Fun with Family. So these are the 2 chapters which was very similar. It was all about a family, and there is nothing new to tell you about a family, because you all are familiar with your family. We all are living in a family. And if you have any queries related to the chapter, if you have not understood anything, you can comment below. Thank you.